Hello. Nowadays, we have been observing an increasing need of certificate holistic practitioners and the healthcare shifting towards prevention. So we have created this new program, this Jin Shin Jyutsu Practitioner Professional Course that will give answer to this kind of demand.
My name is Jed Schwartz, and I'm on the faculty of Jin Shin Jyutsu, Inc., and my partner here, Iole Lebensztajn, is also on the faculty, and we're part of a group of people who are going to be teaching this program at Morristown, which starts this September and goes for 9 weeks. So we hope that you'll look more deeply into what's being offered through the slide that we're going to show you, the website that you can check it out, to see, what's involved in the program, the cost, how long it is, which weekends, and hopefully it'll fit into your schedule and you'll be able to join us for this exciting way of looking at how you can know yourself, help heal yourself, harmonize it, and help those that you love.
This course was structured in a way that will bring a lot of practice and then a lot of confidence for you to practice in your area, in hospitals and in different health settings. So come and learn with us.
And for some reason, if this program doesn't fit your schedule, you can check the Jin Shin Jyutsu Inc. website and find out all of the classes that are happening all over the world. We have 5-day classes that are perfect for beginners. And those of you who don't have the time for this intensive class, you can go and start that way. There's so many ways to learn. This art is available for all of us. And if that's not possible for you, you can check in your areas for self-help classes that are being taught so that you can learn how you can start right away working on yourself, or you can purchase the books that are available that teach self-help. We want to make it available to everybody so that we can help bring the world to a better place.
Check the links and be in touch with us if you have questions, or if you know someone that would be interested, share these links with your friends and family. We will be very happy to have you at our classes, and also if you want to experience a session, you can also have access to the practitioners in your area.
We look forward to seeing you.
Bye.
Bye.